I had like 3 slices of cakes. That cake was really good. Good morning guys, welcome to today's video. It is Monday and I just got ready, kids got ready, and as you know, Monday is pretty busy day for me, but it's gonna be a chill day for the girls. Hi Zoe. Say hi. She's such a dress girl. But today I just filmed my morning skincare routine, and also I'm vlogging today. I have a couple of videos needs to be edited. Zoe, calm down. And Luna is in the crate, so she is crying. But right now we have to go pick up our grocery from Walmart, and just gonna do some editing. Oh, I am going to clean. I need to shampoo our carpet in the living room and in the kids' room. Sean just finished cleaning the carpet, but for some reason it still smells like a dog pee. So I don't know, it just still smells like dog pee. So I'm gonna go over that one more time and see if it'll help. I have been loving like a home lounge set. I got this from Target. What is this? Is it a water? I got this from Target. I have the navy blue color. I think this is so comfortable, and I've been trying to get lounge set on internet, and apparently a lot of them are out of stock. So it is my outfit of the day. Okay girls, let's go pick up our groceries. You ready? You ready to pick up your grocery? Okay, so I have been trying to pick up my food instead of going to the grocery. There's 2 reasons. 1, obviously coronavirus. 2, I've noticed if I go to grocery, I'll go a little crazy and buy a lot of stuff that we don't really need, like snacks and chips and all that crazy stuff. So instead of doing that, I meal plan every Sunday, so you know that I have all the list of things that I need. Instead of buying a bunch of stuff that I don't need, I would do grocery pickup so that I buy only things that I need. So that is another way that I'm doing pickup lately instead of going to grocery. It's nice to get out of house and go to like groceries, and at least grocery for me it was so nice to get out. But it's also time that you have to be careful. You have to be mindful of your money, like what are you spending on. It's not like before. Also for us, I'm not working. Yes, Zoe? 학교 안 가. Also, I am not working, so we have only one income right now. So a lot of things like that. The camera just fell and it got a little crooked, but I can't fix it right now. Anyway, so that's also another reason I'm also feeling this coronavirus right now. Like before, I was trying to be on top of all the schedule, trying to get all the schoolwork done, to be productive instead of just laying in a couch and trying to work out and everything. I was trying, I think I was pushing myself too hard, and now I'm feeling it. Like I feel like I cannot do this anymore. Like homeschooling is not easy, you guys. Even before, when Sophie used to go to school, like with her homework, we did struggle. I get really frustrated easily. It's my fault, but I always, like, because she go to after school, I would rather pay for them and they can, you know, teach her and get her homework finished. It's like much more than me trying to teach her. That's what I that's what I thought. So after being in coronavirus, you have to be teaching her at home. In the beginning, it was really hard for like a while. It was hard to kind of adjust to the schedule and teaching her how to do things. And after a couple of weeks, it got easier. Like, I know what to do, I know what level she is. But then there's times that like we both get frustrated, and she like start not liking school. Then that makes me feel like such a failure. So I'm just thinking, from this week until this thing ends, I'm just gonna be easy on myself and easy on her as well. We will get done certain things, like the priority things, like for example, reading is very important for her right now, that we can work on more than the other ones. So that's just my thought going on until this coronavirus pandemic, everything done. I'm just gonna be really easy on everything, myself, kids, and you know, just a day-to-day base. So that's my ramble for the day. We are almost here to pick up our grocery, and I will do a quick grocery haul for you guys. Before doing a grocery haul, I'm gonna make a quick pizza for Zoe because she says she's hungry.
I want pizza too.
You want pizza too? Yeah. Okay. It's like the easiest way to make pizza, and they love it so much. Got 2 bagels. Pizza sauce or pasta sauce doesn't matter. Just gonna do that. And add a mozzarella. A pepperoni. 엄마가 jelly야? You call me jelly? And you can put that in an oven or a microwave, but I like to put it in my air fryer. Here's the pizza after like a minute or 2 minutes. It is so good and kids love it. Okay, here you go, guys. Pizza, pizza. Okay. Okay, so for the grocery, I'm just gonna do a quick grocery haul. It is about what we buy for 1 week. All of this were based on what we have in the refrigerator. So in the refrigerator, we have a lot of frozen meat. So I didn't have to buy any meat this time. This is a lot of veggies. So here we have our shout. This is something we go through really quick because of kids' clothes get stained a lot. This works the best. This is a stain fighting like spray. And I got a bubble bath for us and some sunscreen for the kids since it's getting really hot outside, and a floss for the girls. And these are some seasoning. Since we moved, I don't have a lot of seasoning, but I'm buying it little by little. So I got some turmeric and cumin and some cornstarch this time. And I have some mozzarella, bagel, and this is the wine we've been drinking lately. I love how it tastes. And there is 2 cucumbers. We go through cucumbers like crazy. This, we can finish it within like a day or 2. And I got some grapes for the girls. We have some mango, pineapple, watermelon in the refrigerator, but I got 1 more fruit, and 2 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper. And I got some 1 frozen shrimp and frozen peas. And I got a bag of lemon, which I go through within a week, putting in my water a lot. And I got a canned corn, some pasta sauce. I thought I got pizza sauce, but some reason I got pasta sauce, but it works. Seeing I got some tomatoes, carrots. Here is a red onion for salsa and regular yellow onion, and some broccoli and some cabbage, lettuce, and I got 4 punch celery for our morning juicing. And this is my favorite coffee. I've been drinking this during a day a lot. Zoe, what's going on? Is it Luna? And I got a egg. So this is what I got for this week. It will last whole week this week and probably next week as well, but next week I will be buying meat instead of vegetables. So I kind of like take turns, meat and hams and stuff, and then next week's gonna be like veggies and stuff. So that's that. I'm gonna have my breakfast. It's 11 o'clock. Breakfast or brunch, and since kids have snack right now, we're gonna have like a late lunch, so I'm gonna make myself a quick brunch. First, let me clean up the refrigerator. It is so unorganized. I made some kimchi over the weekend, so we have like a bunch of stuff in here, so I'm gonna kind of organize this and try to make things fit. We did order a second refrigerator for the garage because it just doesn't fit. So that's coming on Friday, but I'm gonna clean it right now. Okay, so had my breakfast. I just had wrap with a salsa that I made yesterday. It's just whatever, it was in the refrigerator. Had quick breakfast. Now since we have nothing to do, we're gonna make some cake. Kids have been begging me to make cake or bake with them or make cookies, so I go ahead and got some cake mix the other day and we didn't have a chance to make it, so we're gonna make some chocolate cake with whipped cream. I got heavy cream, sugar and everything, and I don't feel like doing the cake from scratch or like find a recipe online and buy all the ingredients. I don't feel like doing that, so I'm just gonna do this one.
Butter. Try to make.
Okay, hold on. 같이 해, 같이. Do it together, okay?
Color looks like a space. 싫어.
Okay.
Let's put the butter in water.
Okay, you're gonna pour the water, Sophie, okay?
Yes, and how about this one?
Okay, this one's Zoe. Zoe, can you put her inside?
조심.
Holding.
다. 언니 같이 도와줄게. Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze.
Squeeze, squeeze. Good job.
Wow. Cool. Chocolate milk 내시나다.
It's a chocolate cake.
Oh, it smells like chocolate.
Okay.
하나만
Okay,
내시나봐.
you're gonna put that inside.
안 돼. Okay.
조심.
Done.
Okay, another one.
진짜
Okay, Zoe는, you're gonna put the oil, okay?
네.
Ooh, little too much. Okay, that's fine. There you go.
And then we can mix it together.
Now we need 3 eggs.
Can we crack? Can we try?
Yeah.
And Zoe? How about me?
Zoe, not like that. Like this. 잠깐만. Okay, now. Whoa! Did you drop the shell inside? Whoa! Zoe, you put the whole shell in there. What are you gonna eat?
Mommy,
Yes?
can I try one more time?
Okay, don't drop any shell inside, okay? Okay, do it in here first.
I'm gonna try to.
There you go.
I did it good.
You did it. Okay. Mix it well, okay?
Mix 해줘.
싸우지 말고 예쁘게. Put it in the middle.
언니, 내가 했잖아.
같이. Do it together. Zoe.
언니 나와고. Smells good.
Okay,
Smells.
can I mix a little bit first?
Thank you.
Like this.
Okay.
So like this, big, okay? Big.
나도.
Do it.
Big. And then let's take turns.
Okay, let's take turns. Zoe first. Zoe do it first.
Yeah.
Zoe big mix 해봐. Do big mix. There
세 개,
you
세 개.
go. 세 개. 옳지. Good job. Now 언니 turn.
또 언니 turn. 또 여기서 우유는 엄마. I want to try to take one, not the small
Okay.
one. Move the spoon. I can't mix it.
Spray here. Like this.
Let's take turns.
Hold it like this. 이렇게 잠깐만 이렇게 하고. 오. 우ff.
My turn. I'm the guy. Oh, water mountain.
See, it's really hot.
Yeah.
So, can you put it? Don't burn yourself. Come here.
No,
on.
okay.
Okay, we have to wait 30 minutes, okay?
I've been running all my days, and all my troubles have found a better way. And I've been trying to clear my head of all the useless words I never said. But oh, let's slow it down. Look at what we found. Hope is yours to take. Joy is what we make. Carry
I just finished cleaning the carpet right here because Sean cleaned the whole room the other day, but it still smells like pee. So I kind of like lay down on the floor and kind of smell where the peas are coming from. So I noticed like that around this area they smell like really bad. So I just did that. And also in our living room, mostly it smells like pee around here. So I just did the whole area here. And I never did it before. Sean was the one who was doing it all the time. And I just find out how hard it is. Like it's so much work. Like after you have to after cleaning the carpet, the cleaning machine is like another work. So hopefully she's completely trained. She does have accidents here and there, so if we don't catch it, it smells, the whole room smells like pee. But it is lunchtime. I'm gonna make really quick mac and cheese for the girls. And the cake came out really good. Now I'm just waiting for Sophie to come home so that we can make the whipped cream and decorate the cake together. She's playing with the neighbor kid, so we'll just wait until she comes back. And right now I'm making lunch for Zoe, and I have to call her to have her lunch as well. But I'm just gonna make really quick mac and cheese and some fruits and call it a day for lunch. Zoe is here having grapes. Hi Zoe. Are you having grapes?
No shipping.
What?
No shipping.
No shopping?
No shipping.
No shipping?
Yeah.
What's shipping?
침대.
No sleeping? Ah, no sleeping.
No shipping.
No sleeping?
Yeah.
You need to sleep.
No.
Why? I never cut their grapes. I mean, I know it's really dangerous, but my kids are really good at
나는 밖에
biting them
나갈래.
and eating them.
I outside.
You want to go outside
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
엄마 포도는?
You want to take your grapes? 먹고 가. Can you eat it first and go? Good job.
My friend is playing outside. She gonna wait for me.
Okay, guess what?
Hmm?
The cake is ready.
Yeah.
We have to decorate it, okay?
Look, my friend.
Later, when you come back home. When you're done playing, we can decorate it later, okay?
Yeah.
Was that good?
Yep. I'm gonna check what they're doing.
No. You have to finish your food first. She's having mac and cheese and some sausage.
They're yummy. Can you make it again from the last tomorrow? Can you make it again from in the night?
Is it your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
That's your favorite. How about Zoe? Is that good?
Yeah.
Yes.
I really like that.
고마워. Okay guys, so I just finished making dinner. I made garlic buttercream chicken with some steamed rice. I will put the recipe in my Instagram if you guys are interested. And hey!
Look at Zoe.
And before eating our dinner, we're gonna make our dessert.
by sinners, those that see peace is found in grace. I've been searching day by day to find my way in this valley of mistakes. When I let go, I find my hope in the peace that surpasses all I know. Hope is yours to take.
Okay, so the cake is in the refrigerator. It is ready. And look at the kids. Guys! Let's eat dinner, okay? Clean up.
Okay. What do we have to do with the crown?
Can you guys go clean your face? I'll clean that. Go clean your face and your hands.
I did.
Your hand. How about Zoe? Look at Zoe. So dirty. Who are you? So this is what the meal is looking like. The chicken has been sitting in the sauce a little bit. And I will also link the recipe that I followed. It was so easy and so good. Okay, the recipe was first time I'm trying it, but kids love it. They love the sauce. You want more sauce, Zoe? Yes? Do you need help? Let me help you. This is too big, okay? There you go. There you go. How about you, Sophie?
I like it.
You like it?
There's vegetables there. Healthy.
Not really. Oh my,
A day in the life
that's
of a
way
stunt
too
man.
big.
Just lying down on the couch would be too easy. Sitting down at the table.
이거 줄래? 그럼 그거 빵 먹어.
Hey guys, it is 7:30. We just had dinner. My plan was to not eat anything for tonight, trying to cut down, but then I had like 3 slices of cakes. That cake was really good. It was just simple with whipped cream and chocolate cake. It was really good, and that chicken was, oh my god. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Joy